today I am announcing and publishing the version 1 of the SECourses Ultimate Video and Image Upscaler Pro. This is the beginning of the studio level image and video upscaler application, video restoration application. There will be so many other new features and models. Currently we are supporting SeedVR2 and FlashVSR Plus. So let me show you some of the upscales. This is an image upscaling. At image upscaling it is amazing, ultra fast and ultra high quality. So from 1024 to 496 pixels, the left is the original, the right is the upscaled. So you see from this image into this image, this is next level upscale. There are no prompting, there isn't anything, you just upload your image and upscale. And this works on very low GPUs as well because image upscale is very lightweight. Here another example, again 1024 to 4096 pixel. So you see how much details it adds. This is a single step upscale. This is ultra fast. We are supporting all kind of optimizations, even including block to swap or Torch compile. So you can run the Torch compile as well. We are supporting all kind of features with the SeedVR2. So let's see some of the video upscales. This is a custom implementation made by me. There is no Gradio video upscale comparison, but we have it in our application, so you can use this to make a live comparison of the upscaled video. Here another example, let's watch this one as well. As you can see, it is working amazing. The upscale level is the best one currently. As an open source, this upscale is actually even better than the paid Topaz Lab upscale because this upscale can fully utilize your GPU. You can also run this upscaler on cloud machines like RunPod, like Mass Compute, like SimplePod. So you are not limited to your own GPU, but it is fully working locally as well. So one another feature is that when you upload a video, it will show you all of its features like input image, upscale target, actual pre-processing, output resolution, how many FPS, how many total frames, and as you change any settings, it will get updated immediately like this or like this, or you can set bigger resolution like this. Moreover, we are fully supporting the scene-based upscale. We are using the PySceneDetect. Therefore, when you upload multiple scene video, it scans and shows all the scenes. Let me demonstrate you. So now, as soon as the upload of the video completed, it will start analyzing input. So it is analyzing resolution, scene, how many frames it has. As you are seeing the status, what this does is that you are upscaling each scene individually. Therefore, you don't need to use bigger batch size, bigger than the scene itself, and the scenes are very consistent. And let's say you cancel it for any reason or something happened, you can continue from the left scene. So this scene based upscale is extremely important. It makes it lighter weight. You see the scene results as they appear, as they are processed. Let me show you. So you see there are two chunks, scenes actually. So it will split your video into scenes based on the PyScene. You can change the PyScene settings from here as well if you are not satisfied with its splitting. This application is designed with the mindset of a ultimate upscaler studio. Therefore, you will be able to fully automatically upscale even full movies, like 120 minutes movie. You will put it here and you will upscale it fully automatically. So the scene detection has been completed. This video has 233 scenes. Therefore, it will be split into 233 scenes and each scene will be automatically processed. You can see that average scene duration is 169 frames, minimum is 61 and maximum is 960. So this is extremely useful. Moreover, we support RIFE FPS as well. If you don't see full of the menu, just click here and you will see other tabs as well. So during the processing, it will show you all of the run logs here. It will show you the process here. Let's watch another video. As you can see, it is working pretty amazing, adding a lot of details, and hopefully if there are better models, if there are better upscaling, I will add them. Currently we are supporting all these SeedVR models. Soon I will implement NFP4 as well. This application is working on every GPU including RTX 5000 series or B200 or H200. So we are supporting both cloud GPUs and consumer GPUs like RTX 4000, 3000, 2000 series, 5000 series. We are supporting every GPU out there with CUDA 13 support. Moreover, if you get out of VRAM error, it will show you how to improve your VRAM usage. Moreover, we have health check, which you can run health check and see all of the features, what is supported. Furthermore, since we are running with processing mode, even if you get out of VRAM error, you don't need to restart application. You can just change the settings and click upscale again. We also support full queue system. So let's upscale this. It will start upscaling and let's change some parameters. Let's go to output comparison and enable global, enable RIFE from here. Then let's return back. When you enable RIFE to X FPS, it will show you the output FPS here. And when I click upscale, it will be added into the queue. When you go to the queue here, you will see the queued item here. You can cancel the queue from here by delete selected. We also support full cancel of the process. So confirm cancel and cancel, and it will cancel the running process. And it should start the next queue. You can cancel next queue as well and start upscaling again. So without restarting the application, you can fix your error. You can add multiple queues. This application will get hopefully even better. Just use it and give me feedback. Moreover, all of the upscales will be saved inside outputs folder with subfolders with their processes, executed commands. If you are enabling 2x FPS, it will also have 2x FPS as well. So everything will be fully saved. Even the processed chunks will be saved. Input chunks will be saved. So every information will be saved that you will be able to see, like run summary, or we will also save the executed commands inside your installation folder. Let me show you that. So you will see the executed commands as well, like the SeedVR2 executed commands. These will be very useful to find what is the issue or what parameters were used. So this application is being developed with full professional way of programming. How to install and detail it tutorial will be made later, but for installation just run windows install and update.bat file. That's it. This will be used for both installation and updating. It will also fully automatically download all of the necessary models with hash verification and with 16 connection speed. Make sure to follow Windows requirements if it doesn't work. Especially Torch compile is extremely requirements dependent. If you don't use Torch compile, it should work with just Python if you have just Python 3.10. Otherwise, you need to follow these requirements. This is important. Don't forget that. For RunPod and mass compute, just follow the mass compute instructions and RunPod simple pod premium upscaler instructions txt files. Use the templates and instructions given in those files as usual. The link to download this application will be in the description of the video, so please read this link as usual with full details. Moreover, I recommend you to download this feature list and read it. We have so many features. As you can see, we support SeedVR2, GAN-based upscalers, output comparison, RIFE, FPS increase, face restoration, FlashVSR+. This is not fully tested yet. It will be hopefully soon. We have system diagnostics and environment control, UX operational convenience. We have scale throughput and long run processing, reliability, safety and recovery. So we support all the features that is useful as an image and video upscaler studio application. This is professional level. Moreover, if you have other requests, just message me from Patreon, from YouTube, from Discord, and I will try to add them. I want to make this application the very best both image and video upscaler out there. With all of the models out there, with all of the features out there, fully automated, it can run even hours or days and upscale your given video or images. We also fully support batch processing at every upscale, so you can do all kind of batch processing as well, and it will upscale all the videos or the images inside given folder. So use it, give me feedback, and hopefully more detailed tutorial will be soon.